Alright guys, we got a 2009 or 10 Cobalt or something. Anyways, sorry here with my little crash kit. The issue was they called a locksmith because the theft light was on. The locksmith came out, he just cut it. He tried to program this key, the original key to the car. Guess it didn't work. So his next thought was to cut a new key, program it. Then he said that didn't work. Oh, he said that didn't work. So he goes, what do I do next? So he shipped it. So I got called out. So I'm here. First thing I did, if you saw the last video, was I checked this key with my little Z-Bull Mini, just to show you it was a good key. So we know the key wasn't the issue. What do? Well, I scanned codes, got a U2137-00, which is just no communication to the VTD module. So that was my first, that's the only code in the system besides a low battery, which this battery was dead when I got here. So, real quick, grab the Uscope. See if I can do this here. So the VTD module is actually the antenna module. You notice the little emblem here with a computer with in and out and a wrench. That means it's got to be programmed if it's replaced. It doesn't look like it's been replaced. So there are 4 wires, and it's B plus is the red and white, ignition is the brown, ground I believe is the black and white, and then green is the in and out communication wire. So let's just real quick check what we got. See if I can one hand this where you guys can see it. I'll have to lay the Uscope down. So I'm going to poke the red and white wire first. Let me put the key on. The red and white is a fused B+. So we're going to put the old key in. I'm not going to worry about the new key. Let's see if I can get this out of the shadows. I'm trying to DeFazio it up here. So I'm poking it. We got nothing. Back probe, nothing. Go to the fused input from the BCM. Check that. Let's see what that's got. Oh, you know what? Gotta put the battery pack on. 1 second. Yep. Anyways, I guess it helps. Anyways, see, theft light's on. So, back to the Uscope. So the red white wire, the B+, nothing. Brown wire, there we go. And that's our fused input. And then obviously we're gonna have no communication if we got no B+, haven't checked ground yet. So let's fix our power real quick. Let's just bypass it. So if we take our pokey off of there, see if I can do this one hand, which I don't think I can. So we're just going to set that up like that. So we got a jumper wire. I'm going to carefully attach our jumper wire to I'm just going to touch it. I just need it to touch the B+. There's a much better way to do this. I don't feel like messing with it. So to the DLC B+, there we go. Oh, it fell off. See, not nearly as slick as DeFazio. So we got that connected. We're gonna back probe this. See if we can back probe. You know what? This is what this stuff from AESWave is for. Got this little pokey. Let's see. This is horrible. You guys are going to have to hang with me. I'm no DeFazio. And definitely no scanner danner. Got no camera skills. Anyways, we're going to just back probe that till we can touch it. Alright, so we're connected like that. That's just pierced into the wire barely. Don't worry, I'm in Oklahoma, so all I got to do is cover the wire up with some liquid electrical tape. I'm going to recycle this key, see what happens. If we got a good connection. Off, on. If we don't have a good connection, make sure we get a better B+ in here. Oh, theft light went out. Let's try to start it. Voila. Turn it off. We've got no B+, I just took it off. Key on. left light stays on. And then shuts off. There we go, guys. That's all it needs.